Investing in the stock market is obviously to make money. That's what everyone gets into, from the smallest to the largest player. We all want to make money at some point. And if you're like Warren Buffett, if you want a long-term investment, you want to invest in great companies, you want to be part of a great company. But even at some point, you want to make money, right? So real quick, let me show you some things that are going on, and then we will get into a stock that is trading at around $5. It is one of the very extremely few $5 stocks that you can find on the entire U.S. stock market. The entire U.S. stock market, there's over 4,500 stocks. You're gonna have a very hard time finding me another $5 stock that has such amazing, and I'm talking amazing, financial data, right? The amount of cash that this company has on the site compared to what their debt is, the revenue, you'll be shocked for a $5 stock. And I'm not talking about thousands of dollars or millions. We're talking about billions of dollars. This could be probably the most healthy $5 stock there is out there, right? And it's a stock that I believe can do 100% gain, and it should, in my opinion. So I will present that to you, and then you can be the judge of that, obviously with your own due diligence after the video, right? You have to do your own homework. All right, real quick, guys. These are videos that I have done so far, the most recent videos that I have done. All of these videos, right? These are all different thumbnails, and the ones that you see with yellow arrows, those are videos that since I did those, the stocks have gone higher. And these are just the most recent videos I've done. The purple arrows means this one's an IPO that didn't go public yet, and this purple arrow is a stock that did go up after I made the video, but for a short period of time, and now it's down. But all these other ones, which are the most recent videos I've done for different stocks, they're all up much higher. So it's pretty cool. What about Oracle at $68? This is a screenshot of a video I did for Oracle over a year ago at $68. And where's Oracle right now? 109. What about when I said SPR, and that was 2 days ago on my Patreon and Discord, that it is a buy for me at $30. 2 days ago at 30. It's at 31.16 cents right now. What about on June 2nd that I said that Sentinel is a buy at $13? It actually went to $12.50. It's at $14.47 right now. How about IMPP at $3.70 on June 5th that I said it would be a buy for me in pre-market, and sold it to $3.83. Obviously, those, if you're in my Discord, you know that I always pre-announce before I buy something, and I say what price I will buy it, so people have full transparency of what I do. And then when I do sell, I also let them know before I sell that, hey, I'm going to sell at that price. So it's pretty cool. And the green dot says stock's already so profitable. Well, guess what? It's at 407 right now. So just a few days ago, I said at 370 it's a buy. It's now at 407. So if you want to join Bull Market Watch and be able to have access to everything that I trade, everything that over 900 other traders, because we have a lot of people in the Bull Market Watch, over about 900 people, and be able to chat with any of these people, learn from them. You can also help them, share ideas with each other, get the latest news faster than at least 5 minutes before the broker apps get the news. Everything. I mean, there's so much that you can gain by joining Bull Market Watch, and at the same time, you are supporting my YouTube channel. So if you want, the link will be in the comment section below. Market Watch, they had on April 18th, back on April 18th, 2023, they had an article that said 15 oil and gas stocks expected to be backed by ample cash flow through 2024. So yeah, if you had read that article back then and invested in any of those, you'd be down actually, because the energy sector is, not doing well. So, but one of those 15 stocks is actually the stock I want to talk about today. The company I want to talk about in this video is Southwestern Energy Company, and like I said, I'll explain why I'm bullish. It's an independent energy company that engages in exploration, development, and production of natural gas, oil, and natural gas liquids in the United States. And I'll explain also some risks and some things going on right now, because some people who are in the know with natural gas might say, what do you talk about? But I'll explain all that stuff in the video as we go. It operates through two segments: exploration, production, and marketing. The company focuses on the development of unconventional natural gas and oil reservoirs located in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, and Louisiana. And as of December 31, 2021, it had approximately 768,000 net acres in the Appalachia region. Southwestern Energy non-GAAP EPS of 31 cents beats by 3 cents, and the revenue of $2.12 billion beats by $40 million, which was their latest earnings. That was on April 27th. So surprisingly, even though the natural gas prices are going down, they did well in their latest earnings, and the revenue was $2.12 billion. It beat by $40 million, but it was in negative 27.9% year over year. And that, even though you read the headlines, it beat the GAAP EPS, it beat the revenue, it actually it should have you worried, and should have had you worried if you were looking at it in a more smarter way, because when you see the revenue going down 28%, then and you look at natural gas prices, they're obviously going down. So one of the risks going on in the very short period of time, in my opinion, is the natural gas prices, obviously, which affect this company and thus the stock. Natural gas prices aren't going anywhere higher during the summer, but I think that as we head into fall and winter, they're going to be higher. This stock will be trading higher. I think that this stock will be trading a lot higher. I'll show you also something else. The revenue growth of this company is insane. It's at $15 billion in 2022 was their revenue. It was up 125%. In 2021, they had $6.6 billion and so on. So amazing revenue growth lately, and pretty much not bad overall. And let's look at something else here. The EBITDA margin also improved. It went from 11% to 22.5%. If we look at the total liabilities, the stock went from $9.3 billion to $8.6 billion. So that was an improvement also. And you can also say they had a huge improvement on total debt, which went from 5 point something to $4.5 billion, right? Huge improvement in the debt, huge improvement in total liabilities, huge improvement in the EBITDA margin, huge improvement, insane improvement in the revenue growth. If we look at net income, insane growth at $1.8 billion, which is, and positive. They have so much cash on the side, it's insane. Operating cash flow growth up big time to $3.1 billion, record growth, and record growth for the netting. So Southwestern Energy is well positioned to capitalize on an eventual recovery in the U.S. natural gas sector. It's bound to happen at some point. Natural gas prices will go back up. They will recover. That's just how it goes. There's cyclical. There's always, they get affected sometimes also by politics. But at the end of the day, at some point, they get back up. And when they do, this stock's going to be higher, because this is a very healthy financial company. But could this company be a buy target? It might. And you know what? For people who are already in it now or get in at a lower price, they could care less. That would actually still lead to them getting gains. The company is improving its financial resilience by reducing their debt, and they also target a long-term leverage ratio of 1.0 to 1.5 times. Now, Southwestern is seen as a logical target in the natural gas consolidation, says Citigroup. And that is a possibility, because there has to be a consolidation in this sector, and there will be. U.S. natural gas producers are primed for a wave of consolidation in the medium term, and Southwestern Energy would make a logical target, they say, for Chesapeake Energy or Coterra Energy, CTRA, ticker symbol CTRA. I did a video on that, CTRA, and after 6 months later, after I had done that video, that Coterra Energy went over 60% gains. I think it was 70% gains. So that was also great. Now, Southwestern Energy is giving a bullish rating by analysts. They give it a low of $5, which is already trading there, and a high of $13 within the next 12 months. I think that $9 within the next 12 months, in my opinion, is very possible. So that's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this stock, and if you can find another $5 stock that has such good financials, so much money on the side, lowering their debt, and such good chances of seeing within the next 12 months a real possibility of growing, let me know in the comment section below what stock that is other than the one I mentioned here, because it's great to share information with each other. I wish you all the best, and like I said, if you want to support the channel, there's plenty of ways. The link will be in the comment section below.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.